Alright, hi there, my name is Daniel Oknov, I'm in Set 2E, and today I'm going to be demoing Assignment 4 of my Web Development 2 class. So here is my Pokemon card game. I'm hosting it on a Netlify server. As you can see, I'm on easy mode right now. Color scheme changes from light to dark. If I start, cards flip when they are clicked. So those two don't match up. If the user clicks on the same card twice, nothing happens. Um, if the user clicks on a card that is already matched, nothing happens. See here, I get a little lose alert if the amount of seconds remaining has gone by, and I have not picked out the correct cards. I also have a start and reset button. A winning event is implemented, and there are also difficulty levels here, so medium is obviously more cards, hard is even more cards. For the sake of this demo, I'll just do it with easy. So yeah, again, dark, light color scheme. I have a power-up option here, so when I click it, it briefly shows which cards, it very briefly shows the position of each card. And then, as you can see, here's my little winning screen here. And also I have this header here that shows the number of clicks that I used. But that's just about everything here. And then here is my index.html code. And then here is my JavaScript code, as you can see here. I also have a CSS style page as well. But yeah, that is just about it. Thank you.